Can
What?
we be a good friend? Because you also speak in English. So if we talk here, it's good for me. It's my improve.
Oh, you can.
It's my practice.
Actually, where are you now? Bangladesh or USA?
Right now, live in my country, Bangladesh, and
How old are you?
no, I'm not 26.
Oh, so it's more.
Yeah, right now I'm 30.
Oh, that's young than me.
How old are you?
I'm 34.
But you look like young.
But on the December, it will be 35. I really old. I feel it.
No, no, you're not old. You are looking very young.
Yeah, looking for young, but it's not me. The age also young.
It's true, but are you married?
Yeah, actually, I was married, but I was separated, and then I have a boyfriend. But now I'm broken heart. I don't know. That's why I said I don't have a future here.
Okay, but I recently married. It's going good. Everything is good in my life. I have a plan. I want to be a good English speaker. So, what do you
But
think
you,
about
but you.
my English? I'm not very good, but I'm trying to improve day by day.
No. You are good. You have a good English, really.
Okay, thank you.
I can understand it.
I'm really, really happy to meet you because you are such a good person.
I hope. I hope
No, no, no.
being good
You
person.
are, you're really, really good because so many people are come here. They are disturbing me. They don't want to talk. So you are very kind also.
Actually, not happen with you. Sometimes, woman wanna find a person who talk. But yeah, sometimes men not want to talk, but
Yeah.
more do anything bad.
Yes, because it's so many people are come here for doing fun. In this reason, they don't want to talk too much. They are crazy. They are doing fun.
See, it's 3 times I live streaming here, but actually I just live streaming on TikTok, on Star Makers, or in another application for talk, and then get a bit salary from there, like that.
Oh, you earn from TikTok?
Yeah.
So what is the process? If I want to earn from TikTok, what should I do? I don't know about.
What, live streaming?
Yeah, in TikTok.
Just live streaming.
Do you live with your family or alone?
I live with my two daughters.
Okay, but you don't look like you have a kids or daughter.
Yeah, actually, every people say it. I'm 25 and that I'm a student from university. But actually, I'm a teacher. I'm not student. I'm a teacher. I'm a mom too. I'm a single mom. I don't know how to say that.
Okay, but if I want to know about what is the reason you are separated.
Just we don't have a same plan again, a same vision and mission again, but actually he is a good person. Maybe I cannot make him happy enough. That's why just a person come to our relationship, then I cannot watch that. I cannot accept it. Even until now he wanna come back to me, but I cannot, because when we choose a different way, and then I have a someone from Netherlands and I love him and I have a feeling for him. It's mean like I was move on with my ex-husband like that. But now I'm broken heart again, that because he left me and then blocked me in everywhere. It's like social media and WhatsApp. Yeah, a bit problem, because maybe he look at me materialistic, or he look at me I'm a crazy girl or a toxic girl, I don't know. But when I ask about clarity or make it clear, he said I'm perfect and I don't do anything like a mistake. I don't do it. It's just like his problem with himself.
He is from your country, I mean Indonesia.
My ex-husband and papa of my old daughters is from Indonesia, but my ex-boyfriends in the last time it's from Netherlands.
Only you have two daughters from your ex-husband.
Yes.
And
We planned it for have one, but actually he didn't trust me again, and then now beginning of January he blocks me everywhere. But sometimes I know he unblocked me and then he watched my video on TikTok, but he blocked me again. I know it. And now I don't want to disturb or I don't want to cry or I don't want to begging to him because I did it for 2 years to fix my relationship with him, but he just come and go, and he want to come back and then he gone, he want to come back and then he gone. So it's make me tired of that, and I think, okay, if you want to move on, if you want to block me in everywhere, just let it.
he have responsibility, you and your daughter. He give you money.
My ex-husband. Yep.
Okay, that's great. And your daughter go to school.
No, they are schooling now.
How old is she?
10 years old and 8 years old.
But they didn't go to school.
They go.
Oh,
No, they are schooling now.
what her name?
Stereo, and then the second, Cheslin.
Nice name. You are doing live every day streaming here.
No. I never do it. Just it's for 3 times I stay here. Just I'm bored at home and then I will go out in 1 hours again. I try to chill and then to make my stress out.